Users who already here register via someone's referral link always asking a questions, is this website scam or legit? So this is the video about that review. This website is completely legit website because all of the rules and all of the terms and conditions they mention in this rules page. Coinbirds website is the project of like that. This is the game of birds. You see here, this is the main page where you will in before registration you can see here the buy birds, they will lay eggs for you. Eggs will be stored in the warehouse, collect them, sell eggs, and you will get gold. And fourth step is invite friends, exchange resources for real money, and buy more birds to get more income. Also, they show us here, create account right now and get green bird plus 300 gold coins for free. If you are using the referral links, then you will get a 300 gold coins. Okay, and here the sales are available. Like if you invested money, then you will be get more gold coins to buy more birds to generate your real income. But the thing is, you need to always remember that is the person or website, whatever website is, it's not the matter what kind of the website is, but such a website which offers you make money or giving you money, then they have a little bit glitch. So here is the glitch. They offer us to invest your money and get paid by them, okay, via this kind of the strategy like the projected game. So here you see, this is the my payment about that website. I directly show you my payment. Here the payer website. I choose the payer method because here the minimum withdrawal limit is very low. That is the 431 gold bars if I wanted to withdraw in euro currency. And if I choose the USD currency, then minimum withdrawal limit is reduced by 100 gold bars. That is the 388 gold bars required for redeem this USD, which is the worth of only 0.04 cents. And if I choose the Russian ruble currency, then they are more reducing these gold bars for withdraw real money. So see, this is the list of withdrawals I already get paid by this website, and definitely it's a legit website, but I'm not recommended you here to invest any single penny. But if you want to just try to check out how it's working, then you can definitely start your journey here without investment. And how you can do that, just by visit the description box where I mentioned the link. You can go instantly get here 300 bonus gold coins, which you can buy here by going this section, that is the bird. You can buy these birds, they're laying eggs, that eggs are going eggs warehouse, then later you can sell here, and once you sell, you come again here like this withdraw funds, because that after selling the two of portion is coming, like 30% goes to the gold bars, that eggs, and 70% of that whatever you are selling is going to the again purchases. So you can choose here payer, or if you have a PayPal account, then you can choose here. But minimum withdrawal limit is, you can see here 70, I think 7 lakh 1,920 gold bars required. But definitely you earn the huge kind of the amount here, the euro 79 euros too, if you are properly do the work. But remember, for withdraw you required a gold bars. So what are the gold bars? You see here, this is the my referral section. If I click here, see, this is the affiliate program for earning crystals. So earning crystals, you can see you will be get crystals from every replenishment of the gold coins account by the person invited by you. Okay, affiliate income is unlimited. Even several invited people can bring you more than 1,000 crystals, because you see here, for each replenishment by a referral of the first level, you will get 20%, and each replenishment of a replenishment by a referral of the second level, you get 5% of the bonus. So basically, this is the a legit referral program. As well as, if you see here the buy bird section, the list of birds are available here, and currently my calculator income is daily. You see, I generated here the daily 661 gold bars, and I have list of such birds, and still my income is increasing. If you have any query, let me know in comment box. But don't forget to check out my description box, and remember, don't invest any single penny here before you read and agree to terms and condition about that Coinbirds website. I think I am done here. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then like it, and don't forget to subscribe me. Bye bye and take care.